Now Vishnu Chakravarti says a little bit more. He says, listen, Parikshit, you should understand the conclusion very clearly. The Braja Gopis and others always offered their lust, or their mood of lust. They worship Krishna with a mood of lust. They offer their lust to Krishna. Shishupal offered his hatred. Vanacharya, he writes it, he translates Vishnu commentaries, offered his lust, offered his hatred, offered his fear. And BBT says they worshipped. It's a very interesting thing. Because if you worship someone, you offer something to them. Yes? Patram Pushpam, you're worshipping Krishna, you offer something. You're doing puja, then you offer something. It's called worship, archan, but you're actually offering. And the ultimate offering is bhakti prachiti. It's your heart, your devotion. Okay, so many external objects are there, samagri, puja samagri, leaves and flowers and chandan and sandalwood, and bhoga and water, and poshak, dress and vesh. But the real thing is the backing, the ingredient of loving, favorable loving devotion, with a mood to please, the mood to satisfy without any independent selfishness or mood of enjoyment. So that loving quality is what most pleases Krishna in any offering or any puja or worship. So we feel lusty that we should offer, Krishna, I'm offering my lust to you.